Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. I've personally been using Go Markets for over 5 years now, and one of the reasons why I chose them is because their customer support is second to none. Fast withdrawals, low spreads and thousands of tradable products makes Go Markets the favourite choice of the BD members. Go Markets is the official online trading sponsor of Chelsea Football Club. For your chance to win some tickets to see Chelsea FC play, all you have to do is sign up to Go Markets using the link in the comments section below. Once you make your first deposit, you'll automatically be entered in a chance to win some tickets. Good luck and enjoy today's video. Now I closed it and making a video. Oh my god, that is so frustrating. So basically, as you know, I've broken my back, so I can't really do a lot. I can go from my bed to this chair and then back to bed. So because of it, I've been trading a lot with the BD members every single morning, bright and early, 6 a.m, cup of coffee, Bloomberg in the background, and we've just been having a trading session every single day. And all week, right, it's been a really good week, but all week I've closed all my trades off early. Like, I've been going for a 10 pip stop loss and a 10 or 15 pip take profit. And I've just done it. I've done it again on gold. Watch this, right? So basically, this was about, I mean, the time was 2:40. The time is now, 3:30. So about 40 minutes ago, I've been saying gold, just smashed it. 1 minute Mogwai, 1 hour resistance. I love gold. That's how much I made today, £1,200. Now, I actually closed gold off early. Let me show you gold now. So this is gold here. This is that entry point that I got. And I closed gold off at like 150 pips. Look how much gold has gone now. 700 pips. And I've done this all week. Literally done it all week. Because it's just my style of trading. My style of trading is just scalping, right? 5, 10, 15, 20 pips max. I basically target the bottom of the zone. So stop loss above the arrow, target the bottom of the zone. And I found most of the trades this week have gone a lot further. And like I said here, gold smashed it. A lot of BD members took it as well. You can see here, this BD member took a nice little sell on GPUSD. Someone's saying here, I just said, oh my god, has anyone seen gold? I've done it again, closed it too early. You're rich anyway. You shorting Jamie, I'm still in the trade. No, closed it and making a video. Euro USD ready. Yeah, absolutely frustrated. Now, I want to break down a USD CAD setup, which I've took on the 1 hour time frame this week. I want to break that down for you in a minute. But I want to show you that I've made a withdrawal this week. So I want to be a bit transparent. Normally, I don't really post my withdrawals or trading history or results or anything like that here. But 1 day ago, I made a withdrawal, as you can see here. So you can see my previous withdrawals. I've just put in a withdrawal of £5,000 from my broker. And at the time, which was yesterday, 1 day ago, this was my trading history for the week, which was £1,000. I actually obviously made a lot more. So if we look at my history here, I finished the week off with 3,500. So I made another 2.5 grand, and most of it was on gold, which again is frustrating because, I could have made 5 times more money, but it is what it is. Sometimes I've just got to accept I am a scalper and I close trades off early. And sometimes you've got to accept that. It's funny I say that because, because at the end of the day, right, I make a lot of money from trading, okay? And you should be grateful that you make money. If I've got a high win ratio, I'm making good money with the BD. I'm a good trader. Why do I need to change it, right? If I'm a scalper and that's how I make my money and I'm good at it, why change it? And I say that all the time to BD members. If something works, why change it? So even though I'd like to hold trades for a lot longer, there's something inside me that just stops me. But anyway, right, let me show you that trade that I want to talk to you about, okay? And the trade in question was USD CAD on the 1 hour time frame. So let me find USD CAD on the 1 hour time frame. Make myself a little bit smaller. Now, honestly, when I say this, This is probably the most simplest trade. It really is. As you know me, I like to keep my trading very, very simple. Support and resistance, trends, pullbacks, higher highs, higher lows, right? Couldn't be any more simpler. Let me try and find you that USD CAD trade. Let me try and find you. Here we go here, right? Here we go here. I'm just from Michael. I just want to thank you. I just got my updated Binary Destroyer 8.0, which is great. But I really, for your brilliant indicator and strategy, which is the best I have found after 3 years of trading. There you go there. That BD member's good. If it hits 5 pips, I'm out. Here we go here, right? So basically, 2 days ago, I called a sell on USD CAD. As you can see here, USD CAD is on the daily resistance level. Nice break and retest. Worth looking at it or holding for sells. What happened was I entered the trade. As you can see here, 1 hour time frame. If the trade pays off and hits the bottom zone, I'll make 10% on my account. And yeah, this is the trade here. That's the trade. Look what happened. And you know what I did? I closed it off early again. I closed the trade off early. It's unbelievable. It is actually speechless on my trading at the minute. Very good week, but frustrating at the same time. So yeah, that was that setup on USD CAD, 1 hour time frame. Let me actually show you that setup on USD CAD. So I've got my simulator loaded up here. Okay, so I've got USD CAD on the 1 hour time frame on the left. I've got USD CAD on the daily time frame on the right. Okay, now watch this, right? Just watch this and I'll show you how simple trading is. You see how USD CAD, I'll pop this here so you can see it. I might make myself a little bit smaller. You see how USD CAD is in a downtrend on the daily time frame. Okay, so basically simple, trend, pullbacks, support and resistance. Yeah, so you can see the previous high, there's the previous high, there's the previous high, there's the low, there's the new low. So downtrend, yeah? You can see the lows, pullbacks and everything like that. If we mark up the support and resistance areas, or the previous lows, okay, we've got one here, okay, and we've got one here, okay? You understand why I drew these support and resistance? I probably won't count that as one, but you understand why I drew this one. There's a touch here, there's a touch there. It's the previous low, break and retouch, yeah? So what I'm looking for is price to come up on the daily, sell it, basically, just sell it, yeah? So let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. Hold on here, I'm gonna make it to the 1 hour. Here we go here. So, let me see what happens. Okay, here we go here, right? So in fact, we have here, just going to mark it up here. Actually, we got a level just there. So I was actually right. There is actually a level just here as well, because you can see it just there, just here, right? Just there. See that? See that level just there? You probably can't see it off the daily, but it's there anyway. Okay. And what we popped right at this level was a Mogwai signal. Look at this. Look at this Mogwai signal. MACD went over, bought or sold. Watch this, right? That setup there, okay, is here. That's the setup just here. So that's the setup there, okay? And obviously this is the simulated version, which is just here. Watch what happens, right? I didn't take this trade, but I just want to show you. You see how price comes down from that level, touches the bottom zone. See that? See how it touches? Couldn't be simpler. In and out. Stop loss above the arrow, target the bottom of the zone. That would have been a nice little 95 pips. With a 50 pip stop loss, so a nice 1 to 2 risk reward ratio on that one, right? That's not the trade that I took, okay? Let's see what happens now, okay? Now price comes down a little bit further, so you can see the level. You can actually see the level. It's not the best on the daily. Probably see it better on the 4 hour. In fact, you might be able to see it on the 1 hour actually. Let me see if I can zoom out. Yeah, you can see it on the 1 hour, okay? Just there. See that level? See that level just there? So if I zoom in here, you can see that level, which if you look left, you can see the level here, that nice little touch. And again, nice little touch there. See that? So the level was there, but hold on, let me get rid of that blue line because it's going to confuse me. Right, so obviously it's going into a downtrend, right? It's going into a downtrend. We didn't go into a downtrend, we went higher. Why did we go higher? Because we didn't go lower. If this was going into a downtrend, we would have gone lower. right, it would have created a new low. That was the previous low, but we didn't, right? We went like this here. So, okay, we're perhaps going up. Yeah, makes sense, doesn't it? Because now you look at it and you can say, okay, well, maybe this is the previous low, this is the new low, that's the high, and a new high is going to be formed. Okay, well, where's the new high going to be formed? Probably here, where that resistance area is. So now we've got a potential uptrend, pullback, new high being formed. Yeah, it's quite simple, isn't it? It's just trend trading with support and resistance, right? If you get really good at this, this is literally all you need, right? So let's see what happens now. We came up to here and we popped another Mogwai signal. Well, I'm not going to take that one because I know we're going to create a new high, so not really that bothered. Okay, and we create a new high. Watch what happens now. Watch what happens now. Okay, look what we pop right at this level here. Look what we pop right at this level. It'd be better just there. Okay, look what we pop right at this level on the daily. So we have got here the opposite happen. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Well, okay, let's look at it logically now. What do you think is going to happen when you get this move here? A pullback. Of course you are. Why wouldn't you? You're going to get a pullback. So we're going to get a pullback. Where are we going to get a pullback to? I don't know. Let's look at the previous low. Oh wait, it's there. Let's target here. So that would have been around 130 pips. Okay, 130 pips. Let's see what happens. Mogwai signal here. Okay, MACD went overbought or sold. What happens? It drops. Bang. There we go there. And yeah, that trade there is currently live here. Okay, here. Now, for some unknown reason, let me see if it did actually hit the bottom. So, okay, yeah, it did. It actually went lower. Okay, for some unknown reason, I closed it off early. But yeah, that is basically a breakdown in USD CAD. That's my trading week. That's my trading results. That's my withdrawal. It's been a very good week, but also a very frustrating week. I wish you all the best, everyone. Hope you have an awesome trading week. My name is Jamie Palmer, and thank you for watching.